Hello to all of our decided black belts at home here. Now what we're doing today is I'm going to teach you all the first degree mid-range weapon form with this Jahng bohng here. Right, what we're going to do is we're going to break it up into different segments. So we're going to send out different videos of different segments of the form, and at the end of all those segments we're going to make a separate video of doing the whole form. So keep in mind that me doing this form is not going to be mirrored, right? I'm going to perform it to you guys the way that it is actually shown and done. Alright, so if you're having issues with the segments, make sure you're looking behind you here, because if you mirror me, then you're doing the form the opposite way. So let's get started on our segments here. So we're starting here, standing tall and bowing. Alright, we're gonna come together. Weapon comes behind my back, ready position here. Now, watch, I'm gonna have palm up. I bring the weapon around, I'm grabbing it, flipping upside down. Both my hands should be giving a thumbs down, pushing and blocking one. Landing in a middle stance, I'm gonna come over my head to my left shoulder, striking across two. Now I'm gonna move my right leg out of the way, underneath, striking up three. Let's do that part one more time. So from here, right, weapon is against my back, hand is here, palm up. I'm grabbing the weapon here, flipping, blocking, one. Coming over to my shoulder, two. Then moving my right leg out of the way, coming up, three. Now my next target, I'm gonna look 45 degrees to my right. Right foot steps behind in a cross stance, striking low. Left foot steps back into a long front stance here. I drag my foot back into rear stance. Slow, number 7, strike. Stepping into back stance, slow, number 7, strike. Good, come back. Let's do that segment one more time. By the way, during most of this, during that angle, your right side should be forward towards your target the entire time. So let's go again. From here, my left hand opens up. Palm up, grabbing the weapon. Flipping, blocking, one. Bringing it over to my left shoulder, two. Coming underneath with my right hand, three. And remember, when we do these strikes, your hand should always be touching your hip here. Never forward, should always be touching your hip. Looking 45 degrees. Right foot steps behind, cross stance, striking low. Left foot steps back, right foot slides into rear stance, coming underneath with my right hand, slow, number 7, strike. Stepping in a back stance, same exact, slow, number 7, strike. And that is the first segment of our form here that we're gonna hand out to you guys. Notice that hand foot timing. 3, looking, coming over the head. 4, stepping back slowly. 5, slowly. 6. All right, like I said, that is your first segment of the first degree mid-range form. All right, now we're gonna do the second segment of our mid-range form. From here, my right foot is going to adjust into a front stance. I'm gonna strike with my left side, low. Right side, middle. Left side going up high. So we're going low, middle, high. I'm gonna step feet together, bring my hands in closer, striking over. Notice I bring it under my arm, on top of my arm, stepping with my right foot into front stance, power strike, leaning back and stabbing. Coming back into another rear stance, slow, number 7. So let's do that again, right? We ended in that, back stance here, number 7, strike. So I'm stepping into a front stance, low, middle, high. Step together, I'm flicking it, over, under, ready, step forward, power strike, and stab. Coming back, number 7, strike, slow motion. All right, one more time. From here, this is how it should look like when it's actually performed. Stepping forward, 1, 2, 3. Step together, 1, 2. Strike and stab. Coming back, slow, number 7. All right, here's a third segment of your mid-range form. We ended slow motion here. Now, I'm gonna step forward, coming over my head, striking low, flipping my hands upside down, left foot steps, blocking to my left side, and over the head again, striking low. So let's do that again. From right foot forward, rear stance. Boom, number 7 strike. Coming over the head, 1. Flipping upside down, left foot, left side, block. Over the head, right side, right foot stepping here. Now, I'm gonna bring my weapon over on the left side of me. I flipped it over again. I'm gonna sweep in front of my body, aim, strike, ready, stab, pull back, and stabbing here, sliding back again, rear stance, long strike there. So one more time, from rear stance, here, right side forward, right foot, right hand coming over, 1, left side, left foot, 2, coming over, right side, 3, bringing it to my left, sweep, and land in front stance, power strike, stab, lean back, stab, coming around, slow, number 7 here. And one more time, I'm gonna show you how that should look when it's performed. So from here, I'm gonna come around, 1, 2, 3. Ready, sweep, and strike, stab, stab, coming around, rear stance, slow, number 7 strike. And that is segment number 3 of your 4.